5 months later, and this strategy is still paying out. The Awesome Oscillator strategy that I posted back in January, in January, is still paying out. I'm going to do an update so I can show you that this is still working even 5 months later. Okay, you do not want to miss any of this. Let's go. Let's get started. Here we go. All right, on my YouTube channel, check this out. This is the video right here. This video right here, I posted just under, it's 4 and a bit months. It's almost 5 months, but either way, this video right here, look at this, 60,000 views. This video was my most viral video that I've had to date on my channel. And let me tell you that in the last 3 months, this video has really taken off, okay? So I don't know if you've seen that video yet, but you need to go watch that after this one, because let me tell you, when I give you an update on this one, showing that it's still paying out, I've tweaked it a little bit, so you're gonna wanna hang out and see that. Anyways, with all that being said, thanks for stopping by. Let's check in, let's get to the new one. Here we go. Still using Pocket Option. From day one, I've been on Pocket Option. Yes, I've dabbled in some of the other binary option sites, but let me tell you, this site 8 years later is still going strong. Why? Fast payouts. Why? Charts work. Why? No glitch. Why? Demo account. Great platform. Check it out for yourself. Link in the description. You want to join my team? Use the link. Join my team. Telegram group? I got a Telegram group. Come on, check this out. Here it is right here, Telegram group. Lots of good nuggets in there. We teach how to trade, not signals and all that jazz. No. This is a support group where you can learn and you can grow your knowledge so that you can be successful more often. Okay. All right. Enough about that. Let's get to this because I need to show you the update. Again, like I said, I tweaked it a little bit. Okay. What does the interface look like? Let's break it down. Here is a standard setup. There's nothing on this chart. There's no indicators. There's no nothing. This is a straight candles, 1 minute. We're on a 30-second timer and I'm using $1. Why am I using $1? I'm going to show you in a minute why we're on $1. All right. So what are we looking at here? How are we gonna set this up? All right, let's just set this up. Let's get to it. I don't want to make this long-winded because I want you to watch the other one. The other one is nice and long. It's got a lot of technical analysis. I want you to go watch that one. Okay, let's set this up. First thing you want to do, you want to make sure you have a 92 chart, right? 92 chart. Okay, and we're going to set this up as a quad. Set this up just like the other video as a quad. All right, let's set this up as a quad. So here, only on PC. This is only on PC. You cannot do this on mobile. Mobile is one chart only. There's been a lot of questions since I posted that, like I said, 4 and a bit months ago, that you can only use this style when you use a PC. But anyways, okay, let's do this. So, all right. We are all set up here. Each chart, each quadrant is going to be the exact same thing. We are going to set it up on a 1 minute timer, 1 candles, M1, 1 minute, okay, on every single one of these charts. So go ahead and do that. Make sure that every single one of these charts is 30 seconds and make sure you're using $1. Okay. Let's add the Awesome Oscillator in. You can see it right here on these 3 charts because I often do this quad with this Awesome Oscillator strategy. Even, for the past 4, 5, 6 months. All right, let's make sure this is 92. All right, let's set up this up in the top left-hand corner. So what you're gonna do first, because you probably don't have this set up, what you're gonna do first is you're gonna go and you're gonna set this up. So you're gonna make sure you're on candles, M1, right? Chart type. Okay, chart type, yeah, chart type. There we go, M1, got it. Now we're going to choose the indicator. So the indicator is the Awesome Oscillator. Look at that, I got it started. Of course I do, because I love this chart. I love this indicator. Okay, when the indicator first sets up, it is going to set up at 534. What is 534? Well, check this out. I'm going to show you what 534 is. Here it is right here. What is the Awesome Oscillator and what is 534? So here's just a little nugget for you so you understand what's going on. So this was introduced by Bill Williams, okay, in 1999, a long time ago. What is the 5 and what is the 34? So it is a 34 simple bar moving average subtracted by a 5 bar simple moving average. So what does that mean? It means that the short time frame is 5 bars, the long time frame is 34 bars. So this strategy, this indicator is looking back 34 candles less 5, so 29 candles. And then it's going to determine what the trend is for you, so that you can see the trends and help make your trading this is just more confirmations on you making those trades. So that is what it's first set up as, okay? All right, so you can go ahead. I'm gonna leave this link in the description. You can go ahead and read that. Okay, that's what the Awesome Oscillator is. Cool, thanks. We're gonna set that up a little bit different though, because we are looking for very fast trades. In the other video, I used a 2-minute candle, 1-minute timer, which you could use on OTC or real markets. Okay, this is going to be a 1-minute candle, 30-second timer. Okay, so this is just a little bit different, tweaked it just a little bit. There's a lot of speed here, so you can get your trades done and get out for the day. Okay, we're not hanging around. You want to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 points in a day? Get in, get out. Check this out. This is what I want you to pay attention to. So we are going to change this from 5 to 1. Now, what I want you to look at is look at this section right here. Watch these candles change. As we change the period, it reveals more information. So watch 5. Look at all the extra colors and extra bars we get, because our period now is 1, not 5. So we're looking at 1 candle, and we're going to change this to 100. So we are looking at the 99 previous candles is what this is going to kind of give an average to, and it's going to help us to trade with this strategy. Nothing's going to change here with the green and the red. We're going to keep that. So if you look here, every single chart has the same settings. 1 100, 1 100, okay, 30-second timer. We use a $1. Why are we using $1? Well, we can't use less than $1. So because my account has $377.21, $1 on each is $4. 1% of your balance, 1% of my balance would be $3.78, 77 cents 21. Okay, it would be 1%, which would be $3.77. All right, but because we want to stay, because we want to keep our money management tight, we really don't want to be trading 2, 3, 4, 5% with this strategy, because remember, we're doing 4 trades at once. So if we do $1, I'm just over 1% of my balance, okay? If this was $1,000, then maybe you would probably do $2.50 times 4, because that'd be $10, which would be 1%, right? So you're gonna try and trade around 1% of your balance within this quad, all right? So that's how that works, okay? So we're gonna use $1. Look at, we have an 88, so let's go. We're gonna make sure that we are sitting on all 92s. Make sure these are 92s, 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 and they're all different. AUD, Chef, AED. Okay, this one's the same, so let's move this one. All right, the goal here is we want to find a trend. We wanna trade with a trend. We wanna see momentum on this indicator. Above the 0 is an upward or bullish. Below the 0 is generally a bearish or downward trend. So if you look right here, all of these are above the 0 line. If you look right here, all of these are below the 0 line, which means trending downwards. What we want to look for is we want to look for the same colored candles. We want to make sure that there's many colored candles in a row. If they're red, green, green, red, green, red, green, we don't want to trade that chart. Change the chart. You have lots to choose from. There's lots of 92s here. What you want to do is you want to find charts where there's green, 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 red, red, red. We're going to get the momentum. Are we going up? Are we going down? It's so much easier with this strategy to trade that way. All right. So that's the setup. Okay. I have live trades with this brand new tweaked setup that I'm going to show you right now. Very similar to what I did 5 months ago. So I'm gonna roll that so you can watch it. It does, anyway, you know what? I'll let you watch it. Okay, watch it, check it out. I'll see you when you get back. Boom, right? 5 months later, still a winning strategy. Okay, 6 out of 8 winners. What is that? 75% win rate? That's amazing. If you were to do that in a day regularly, you would have a boatload of cash. You would have a boatload of cash because you're going to compound. You're going to compound all of that. Then you're going to start pulling out daily because you want to pay yourself. That's what we want to do. We want to build up enough so that we can pay ourselves. Okay, pretty cool, right? So what did you notice in that video? Leave a comment down below. Let's talk about it. I want to know what you liked in this video that maybe was different than the other. If you watched the other, comment on this one. Okay, that was a quick update. I hope you got something from that. I appreciate you stopping by. Again, stop on my YouTube channel because I have a lot more information than I did 5 months ago. Things have changed. My Telegram group is over 1,000 members now. Come over there. We are absolutely just loving helping people and seeing their strategies and their bank accounts grow. Okay, I have so many people that come over to my group that were in other groups. They're like, all these other groups, they're not helpful. They're not there for us. We are there for you. We want you to succeed. All right, leave a comment, like, subscribe, check this out, share it with a friend. Like I said, watch the other video. All right, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.